had some deliveries. In this build, we're trying to do as many practical shortcuts as we can. You'll know if you've been following along for a while, in our last caravan build, we used caravan RV camping for a few things. This build, we're pretty much using caravan RV camping for everything. We've ordered our pipe work, our water tank, fuses, bus bars, Renogy batteries. They're new lithium 200 amp batteries. So we're going with a pretty cool electrical system in this one, but we'll get more into that next week. We're going to go with the aircon, the Truma Saphir, which we've got in Myrtle at the moment. Amazing aircon. We have not had any faults with it, and it's been getting us through this 40-degree heat. I've decided, since we've got this all open here, we're going to install our air conditioner down here. I've set up the aircon out there, so we're going to go look at it now and suss it all out, and I'll show you what's going on with it. Here's all our components for the aircon. It's honestly so simple. It may look overwhelming with everything, but it's not. They make it so easy with this template, which we'll go and tape down in a second, exactly where we're going to put it. Drill the holes, cut it out with a jigsaw. Is it jigsaw? Yeah, it's a jigsaw.
Hole saw?
No, jigsaw.
Okay.
Hole saw? Anyway, we're going to use a tool to cut the holes. Only thing you would want to think about in advance if you get one of these aircons is to get an electrician ready to put a plug on, because they don't come with a plug. It's just a 240 volt plug. We've actually installed one of these in Myrtle already. We'll link the video above. We went pretty in depth with how to do it and all that kind of stuff, but we'll give you a quick rundown in this video as well. So we're going to go tape that down into the caravan where we're going to put it, and I'll show you once it's done. Alright guys, all our holes are drilled there. It's come up really good actually. So drip hole, either the inlet or the outlet here. I'm not sure which one's which, but one lets hot air out and one lets cold air in. Megan is committing to lift the aircon because my back is absolutely ruined.
Wait, don't look at my form, because Megan's back's about to go too.
She's about to slip her back. But we'll get it up to here, Megan, and we'll chuck it in. Wow, so strong.
So strong.
There you go, see? There's the inlets and outlets, guys. Why did we do this? Come have a look at this sweat. That's all. So I've built this chair so much better than Myrtle's. It's come up really nice. So we've hinged it nicely there. So aircon's installed. We've got one outlet there, one outlet here, and one outlet here. So a few things if you're going to go with one of these air conditioners, you have to use all three outlets. So there's three options to put your ducting into the air conditioner and run it around the caravan. Truma and Caravan RV Camping have told me that it is very important they use all three, because then it won't disturb how the air conditioner works. If you don't use all three, it'll stop it from working properly. This vent as well is really important. In Myrtle, we didn't install this vent, so our aircon in Myrtle works a little bit harder to suck in the cool air from the room and go back into the air conditioner to then come back out the outlets, if that makes sense.
It still does work, so I'm excited to see like how well this one works now that we actually planned for an aircon in the first place. Yes. And then did everything properly this time. And
for the cold air that comes out into the room that gets sucked back into here, it comes into here, and I've drilled a whole heap of holes that allows the ventilation to go into the air conditioner in there.
And more holes behind it as well.
Yeah. And
also, we got a mattress.
Yeah, we got a mattress. So I just need to get an electrician to wire in the 240 volt plug. And it's honestly coming together so well. I am so happy with how I built this. It's amazing.
Yeah, we made some really, you made some really good progress yesterday. I wasn't much help. But little reminder as well, if you're interested in the Truma Saphir for yourself, head to Caravan RV Camping, and you can also use our code for a discount, which is JM30.
They're a great team. They're so good. They're so helpful. And if you have any problems, you can actually give them a call, kind of thing. You know?
Yeah, that's always great.
And little sneak peek, guys. Electrical system. So we're going with 400 amps and 3000 watt inverter again. It's Renogy's new one. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Rego or Rego? I think it would be Rego. Remember our last inverter was quite heavy. This one, they've made it so much lighter and it has more features. So we'll be talking all about that next week. Thank you for watching. I don't even know what day we are into in this video.
Yeah, I think we started this video like 8 or 9 days ago, and it's supposed to be a weekly vlog. So hopefully I can get this one edited in time for you. We are recording a little bit ahead of time if that wasn't obvious. But yeah, I think we're about, I don't even know what day of the challenge we're in, but we're definitely about halfway.
Let's go with 16.
I don't think we're that far, but
Day 16.
50% through the challenge. Are we 50% through the build?
No.
No.
Nowhere near.
So yeah, a few setbacks this week, but I feel like we're getting that momentum back.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys next week, and hopefully we can keep some of that momentum.